My name is Asma and this is LegalAssist. It's an AI-powered legal workflow platform designed to help legal professionals work faster and stay organized and reduce risk. So when you log in, everything starts on your dashboard. It's a real-time snapshot of your legal work. So as you can see here, total documents, case analysis, AI generation, and time save. So it just monitors that. And the usage of each month here. There's quick actions, so generate document, analyze document, case analysis, and legal research. And your recent documents come here. Upcoming events will pop up here, and then task overview is here. So this is the client section, so you can create a client here, fill in the information and create it. This is a sample client that I had created. Okay, and then moving forward, there's cases. So this is a case that I had created. You can create a new case over here. This is the calendar section, so you can add an event. So for example, meeting with John. So you could just schedule it as rescheduled. Just soon. As you can see, it comes up right there. Moving forward, there's tasks, so you can have a task here, and it tells you like the urgency of it and everything, and you can create it here. And then you can also complete tasks. So these are all the tasks, and completed tasks are here. Furthermore, there's documents, so you can create documents and save them. So this is area to create it, but you can also view documents. So this is a sample document. Furthermore, this is a really good tool where you can create a document. So for example, if you want to create a sample witness statement, you could just do that. So witness to robbery at store. So after you can do generate document, and it will create a template for you to in regard to your particular situation. It can just save a lot of time. So it gives a summary here, and then here's the sample document, and it tells you like how to word that, and like how you could write that out, and then you can save this. Going back, I have previous examples. I'll go show this here. So this is an example witness statement to a robbery. It will just help save time. This witness to an assault. It could be anything really. This is like a startup. So that's basically what generate would be, and documents area. So there's also other options like I mentioned. Moving forward, there's analyze document. So if you do analyzing, so if I just put in a sample, you can analyze that. So as you can see, it's analyzing here. So it gives the key parties, the dates, talks about it, the key causes, just really helpful things. And then this like checklist that is helpful, the issues and recommendations, and you can also save it to documents. Moving forward, there's case analysis. So if you have a case that you're working on as a lawyer, you could input that here. So new case here. But this is an example case that I had done. So this case presents a strong retaliation claim under OSHA whistleblower provisions and potential age discrimination under ADEA. The timing of termination creates a compelling inference of retaliation. So then it talks about the strengths and weaknesses and strategies that it recommends. This is another example. And then the last thing is research. So you could just type in any kind of research that you may be interested in. So for example, how can I win my case for disability insurance against my info on insure. So now that it's loaded, we can look into this. So it says to claim disability insurance benefits following a workplace fall in Canada. So I need to understand the interplay between workers' compensation and private disability insurance. Workers' compensation provides benefits for work-related injuries, while private insurance may offer additional coverage. Navigating these systems require awareness of applicable statuses, legal principles, and strategic approaches to strengthen your case. So that gives a summary. It gives key legal principles, relevant cases. This is really helpful, so you can get an idea of previous cases. So framework. This is really helpful because it shows the exact section in the court that this would apply to, and so section 66, section 15, section 38. Arguments that would support this. Counter arguments and potential weaknesses. So detailed legal analysis, risk assessment, and strategic recommendations. And then you can also ask follow-up questions. How would this be affected if I work for a union? So if you're under a unionized environment in Canada and experience a work injury, so it'll just talk about that. So it's just helpful if you have any other further questions. And then this nice part about this is you can also save it. So there, I just saved it. So these are previous. This just got saved here, and there's previous ones here. So you can go back and reread this. You can also delete it. So yeah, that concludes my presentation on my LegalAssist startup. If anyone has any questions, please do connect with me. And I'm starting a wait list, so I'm looking forward to everyone and their interest in my startup. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.